Welcome to our video on search engine optimization, or SEO for short. If you're a business owner or digital marketer, you know the importance of getting your website to the top of search engine results. But how do you do that? That's where SEO comes in. SEO is the process of optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results for specific keywords. In this video, we'll be breaking down the basics of SEO and sharing some tips on how you can improve the ranking of your website in search engine results. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how SEO works and how you can use it to your advantage. Let's get started. Quality and relevance of content. The content on your website should be well written and informative, addressing the needs and interests of your target audience. It's also important to regularly update your content and add new pages to keep your website fresh and relevant. 1. Structure and organization of website. This includes things like the use of headings, the length of your content, and the use of internal and external links. Using headings and subheadings can help break up your content and make it easier for readers to scan and understand. Internal links, which are links that point to other pages on your own website, can help search engines understand the hierarchy of your content and how it's all connected. External links, which are links that point to other websites, can help demonstrate the authority and credibility of your own website. 2. Keywords. These are the words and phrases that people use when searching for information online. By including relevant keywords in your website's content, you can help search engines understand what your website is about and improve its ranking in search results. However, it's important to use keywords naturally and not stuff them into your content in an unnatural way, as this can actually hurt your ranking. 3. Technical aspects. This includes things like the speed of your website, the use of alt text for images, and the presence of a sitemap. A fast-loading website is important because search engines want to provide the best user experience possible, and no one wants to wait for a slow-loading website. Alt text is the text that appears when you hover your mouse over an image, and it's important to use because it helps search engines understand what the image is about. A sitemap is a list of all the pages on your website, and it helps search engines crawl and index your website more efficiently. 4. Off-page factors. This includes the number and quality of backlinks pointing to your website. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website, and they help demonstrate the authority and credibility of your website to search engines. However, it's important to focus on getting high-quality backlinks from reputable websites, as opposed to low-quality backlinks from spammy websites. SEO can seem overwhelming at first, but by understanding and implementing these basic principles, you can improve the ranking of your website and get more organic traffic. There are also many SEO tools and resources available to help you along the way. So, there you have it, a brief overview of search engine optimization and how it can help improve the ranking of your website in search results. If you're looking to boost the visibility of your website, it's important to consider implementing SEO strategies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching.